Erikson's theory of psychosocial development involves specific stages where people face different crises. Each crisis is a turning point, and each success allows for movement to the next stage. People build on accumulated assets as completing each stage. Here are the stages: trust versus mistrust, autonomy versus shame and doubt, initiative versus guilt, industry versus inferiority, identity versus role confusion, intimacy versus isolation, generativity versus stagnation, integrity versus despair.
Caregivers are depended on when needs are acknowledged and the children are comforted. When needs are ignored, children learn mistrust.
Toddlers become capable of satisfying their own needs, and when caregivers encourage self-sufficient behavior, toddlers develop autonomy. Children develop shame and doubt when caregivers demand too soon, refuse to let children perform tasks themselves, or ridicule children.
Children want to undertake simple projects, and when adults encourage efforts, children develop initiative. When adults discourage such activities, children may develop guilt about acting improperly.
When children take pride in completed projects and are praised for achievements, they develop industry. When children are ridiculed or punished for their efforts, or when they find they cannot meet adult expectations, they may develop feelings of inferiority.
Adolescents question who they are and how they fit into the adult world. Adolescents develop a sense of identity when they figure out who they are and where they fit in society. Adolescents who do not discover their identity struggle with role confusion and have mixed feelings about how they fit into society.
Through close personal bonds with other people, people develop intimacy. When people cannot form mutually developed relationships, perhaps due to disregard for others' needs, a sense of isolation may ensue.
When people make a contribution to society, perhaps through making a family or working towards the betterment of society, a sense of generativity results. People who are self-centered, unable, or unwilling to help others may experience stagnation.
People look back on past experiences and can develop feelings of integrity if they believe their life was productive and happy. People may develop a sense of despair if they look back on disappointments or unachieved goals.
Created using Powtoon.